All right, everybody. This was waiting for us when we got home. I'm gonna tell you more about this. I don't know. I really don't even know what it is. It seems flat. Probably a giveaway that I won or some cards, but it feels pretty hard. So I don't think it's packs. Seems pretty hard. But before we do that, we are gonna get into this box right here. We're gonna open up this box. The reason I'm opening up this is because I have a drawer right beside this setup that I have right now, but we're gonna get rid of that drawer. So everything that was on there, I'm either gonna move it or open it. So I was like, what better way than to open the pack, you know? Open the box. Another Rapid Strike box. I don't even know. I forgot how many I opened in this channel. Let's try to get this open. This time. Get these two out the way. Jumbo card. One, two battle styles. Same old. Darkness Ablaze and the Rebel Clash. And then this is the code card for the box in the back. Here, y'all can have that one. All right, 4 packs, and then we'll get right into that mail. Let's do this. This order. I guess y'all saw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grass Energy. Tower of Darkness, Girder, Durant, Houndour, Lickitung, Horsey, Mankey, Mawile, Cacturn, and Single Strike Urshifu VMAX. Nice pull to get, but I already have this one. But still. Nice. I'm actually gonna put this one in a heart sleeve since I have the other one in my binder. Keep one in a heart sleeve, you know? Let's have it out for display. Bam. We're gonna put it right there with all the energies. Let's go. Yuli Gurriel just hit a 2-run home run. Let's go, Astros. One, two, three, 4. Dark Energy, Rapid Strike Style Mustard, Morpeko, Doublade, Glameow, Galarian Slowpoke, Yamper, Murkrow, Salandit, Reverse Hollow EXP Share, and a Hollow Tapu Bulu. Not bad. put this one here. This one here. With this reverse hollow right here. Alright, now Rebel Clash. One, two, three, four. Lightning Energy, Masquerain, Nugget, Tranquil, Applin, Galarian Durumaka, Bunnelby, Vulpix, Phantom, Reverse Hollow for Lynx, and a non-hollow Mandibuzz for our rare. Last pack before we get into the package. Here, y'all can get this code card right here for Darkness Ablaze. One, two, three, four. Tap, tap, tap for good luck. Dark Energy, Simisage, Clang, Toxapex, Skitty, Toxel, Morlo, Larvesta, Sentret, Liepard, and a non-hollow Arctovish for rare. Alright, so out of that box we only got one pull. Single Strike Urshifu VMAX. You know what? Just to make this interesting, we're gonna open one more pack. Alright. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by a toe. My mom says to choose this one over here. Alright. Which one? Left, right. Alright, I'm taking this one. And put the other one back. Alright. Hopefully something good in this. Out. Oracuda and the Heatran. Heatmore. I don't know. Volcanion, that's what his name is. Alright. Last one before we get into that. What's in that mail? Here's the code card. Feel free to hit it up. One, two, three, four. Water Energy. Girder. Tower of Darkness. Perugly. Esper. Roly-Coly. Salandit. Corphish. Galarian Slowpoke, Reverse Hollow Yamper, and a Marowak. Non-hollow for our rare. Yep. Battle Styles, you need to fix your stuff, man. I'm getting nothing in these packs. Alright, time to move on to this, whatever this is. I really don't know what is in here, but we are gonna find out together. Yeah. Oh, it is packs. We got sent. $4 packs. The Dollar King is ending the video off with some $4 packs. These all seem pretty heavy. So, pretty heavy. Let's start off with the God of War. We don't do the trick for these. Sandile, Pokegear 3.0, and the Meow. If I pull a rainbow rare out of these, yo, it'll be insane. Venonat, Graveler, and a Alolan Dugtrio. Venonat, Fire Energy, and the Reverse Hollow Pharaoh. Last pack. Poliwag, Martial Arts Dojo, and an Ekans. Nothing in these dollar packs. But we did get one reverse hollow out of 4 packs. Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more, leave a like, subscribe. Until next time, peace.